When you are young, you question your faith sometimes. It happens that you question your faith sometimes. You call out to Allah. You ask Allah so many things, one after the other. And sometimes you think He's not giving you what you want. Don't despair. We were there. It happens to us as adults as well, that when we call out to Allah, we are begging, we are asking, we want so many things, and we think to ourselves, why is it that He is not giving us certain things? I can tell you, sometimes as a result of your supplication for A, you achieve B, C, D, E, F until the end of the alphabet, yet you were asking for A. The barakah of and the blessings of seeking from Allah what you want, Allah gives you a lot of what you do not realize you need even more desperately. So continue to ask Allah. You will never ever suffer a loss by asking Allah and supplicating and having hope. I want to give you one example. If there is a person who is terminally ill, may Allah grant cure to all those who have sickness. Amin. If there is a person who is terminally ill and they are about to die, the doctors say that you are going to perhaps die soon, you won't survive. And they make dua. They ask Allah. They are supplicating, oh Allah, cure me. I know you will do it. I know you can do it. I know you shall do it. You are the owner of cure. For you, it is so easy. You will do it. Do you know, if your death is written and you die, you may enter paradise as a result of the hope that you had when you were calling Allah for cure, and Allah knew that He's actually going to take you away. So that hope alone is an act of worship. Have hope and understand that Allah Almighty will always give you something in return of your supplication. Your dua will never go to waste.